Adopt a plot, understanding community gardening. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language. Adopt a plot. This term might sound a bit mysterious at first, but it's actually quite straightforward and reflects a beautiful community initiative. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used in everyday conversation. The phrase, adopt a plot, refers to the act of taking responsibility for a small piece of land, usually in a garden or park. This typically involves caring for the plants, maintaining cleanliness, and sometimes even planting new flora. The term is often associated with community gardens, where locals come together to beautify and care for shared green spaces. Understanding the history of a phrase can often help us grasp its meaning more deeply. The concept of adopt a plot likely originated from larger adopt-a programs, such as Adopt a Highway, where volunteers assume responsibility for maintaining a section of a road. These initiatives emphasize community involvement and collective care for public spaces. So, why would someone want to adopt a plot? This practice is not just about gardening, it's about community building and environmental stewardship. Adopting a plot can foster a sense of pride and ownership in one's neighborhood, encourage sustainable practices, and create a space for social interaction and connection with nature. How can you use adopt a plot in everyday English? Here are a few examples. I've decided to adopt a plot at the local community garden to grow my own vegetables. Our school is encouraging students to adopt a plot to learn about botany and ecology. The city has launched an Adopt a Plot program to beautify public parks. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and significance of adopt a plot. It's a wonderful example of how a simple phrase can encapsulate community spirit, environmental care, and personal growth. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to exploring more interesting phrases with you in the future.